before you throw away that dull knife. Wrap it in aluminum foil and watch what happens next. It sounds strange, almost too simple, but once you see the result, you'll understand why people never go back to expensive sharpeners. Stay with me because this trick changes everything in just a few minutes. Let's start from the problem. Every knife, no matter how expensive, loses its edge over time. It stops cutting cleanly, starts slipping, and turns simple tasks into frustration. Look at this, trying to slice through a piece of fruit and it barely cuts, just scratches the surface. That's exactly what we're fixing today. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Some people are still trying old methods like using a glass cup to sharpen it, but this never works because glass doesn't have the hardness to do so. Now grab the knife you want to restore. It can be any size, any type. Then take a piece of aluminum foil and cut it long enough to cover the entire blade. Carefully wrap the foil around it, making sure it's tight and smooth. No wrinkles, no loose areas. The closer it sits to the metal, the better the result will be. At this point, it may not look like much, but this is where things begin to change. Now, grab a regular porcelain mug, flip it upside down, and look at the bottom. That rough ring underneath is exactly what we need. To take it further, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of coarse salt directly onto that surface. Spread it evenly so it covers the area where the blade will pass. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now hold your knife firmly and begin sliding the blade along the bottom of the mug. Always in one direction, bottom to top. Never go back and forth. Keep your movements steady and controlled. Do this for about 2 minutes on each side. Don't rush this step. The friction between the foil, the salt, and the porcelain starts to do something subtle but powerful. You'll notice the mug surface turning slightly gray. That's normal. It means the process is working. As you continue, you may even feel the blade moving more smoothly across the surface. That's a sign everything is aligning the way it should. Then carefully remove the aluminum foil from the blade. Now take a look. The surface looks cleaner, shinier, almost like it's been renewed. But the real test is in the cut. Take that same fruit from before. Try slicing it again. This time, the blade goes through effortlessly. No pressure, no slipping, just a smooth, clean cut. Try it on something thicker, like a potato. Same result. Even slices, no resistance. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. That's the difference. This simple method helps restore the edge without damaging the blade. No expensive tools, no complicated techniques, just items you already have at home. And once you try it, you'll start noticing how much easier everything becomes in the kitchen. Cutting, slicing, preparing.